Hey guys, I'm just Jalapeno here with another home maintenance tip. And on today's project, I'm going to show you how to repair a cracked out control joint on your sidewalk. A lot of the times if you don't repair these types of issues, moisture gets in there and it just creates a bigger problem. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a little dam with some duct tape because I am going to be using Sika self-leveling. But before I apply the Sika, I'm going to use a little bit of clear caulking to make sure I fill in the crack. You can also use sand or baccarat to help fill in the gap. But in this case, I'm just going to be using a little bit of caulking, and as you can see, it is filling in that crack. I always recommend you maintain these, especially before winter, because like here in Colorado, let's say it snows in the morning, then it melts during the day and it goes into these cracks. But at night, the temperatures drop and then it refreezes again and it just creates more issues down the road. And in order to avoid all that, I'm just showing you how to seal it up. So as you saw, I applied the caulking and then I removed all the excess with the wet rag. And what this is going to do is that it's just going to keep that Sika self-leveling from seeping into the crack. And like I mentioned earlier, you could use sand or baccarat, it's up to you. So now I'm just applying the Sika self-leveling on the control joint. It's important you do these types of repairs when the weather is really good. You don't want it to start raining and then it's just going to mess up all your hard work here. And look, as you can see, once I start applying it, it starts kind of leveling itself out, hence the term self-leveling. And if you want to get this Sika self-leveling or any of the tools I'm using, just go to the link in my bio, click on my Amazon storefront, and it'll be under Concrete Essentials. They are affiliate links, so it's a good way to help support the channel, or you could just go to Home Depot. But anyways, once you're done applying the Sika, just let it work its magic, and look, it's going to look like this. Now there's a good seal to help prevent any excess moisture from getting into the crack. I am going to come back tomorrow to remove the duct tape once it cured a little bit, but that's it. Jalapeno Solutions. Boom!